Now, this is ideal for anybody who has ever browned ground beef, ground sausage. They've cooked anything in any kind of oil and they need to drain it away. This is quick, it's easy, it's simple. Just with the touch of a button, you're going to extend the side wall that has those built-in little cutouts, and now everything drains beautifully. Dawn Magid is back with us. Nice to see you, friend.
Hi.
Always a pleasure
David?
to have
it's
you here.
It's so good to be here.
Now, you have one of my favorite sausages.
Love these.
Now, if you're going to cook eggs in that sausage grease, that's one thing. But if you need to eliminate all that grease, we're going to show you how to do it quickly and easily.
We are going to show you. We're going to go right over here, and what we're doing is with the press of my thumb right here, I'm lifting up this shield. It's like a shield, like if you saw an armor. It looks like an armor shield. And you just drain your grease off. So again, it makes it simple, it makes it easy, and it makes it effortless. Put this back on. I can serve these now, no grease, and I can go back into this pan right here.
There they are.
And I can put in my eggs, and we can have a perfect breakfast.
Now, there's a little bit of residual grease in there, but you want that. Because you want that flavor, right?
Because we want the eggs to not stick. We don't want the flavor. But this is the thing. This is ceramic. This is a beautiful cooking surface. You know that, David. We love ceramic because it has that great nonstick. It's 10 inches, which is the perfect size for just about anything. My husband uses this all the time for eggs, even though he's not using, you know, the armor or the shield that we have on the handy pan. This was a Shark Tank find. It's just a brilliant idea because you're reducing the number of dishes. You're making things so easy. So asparagus. Again, I'm going to lift this up, see, with my thumb.
And maybe you put some olive oil in the pan. You got a little heavy-handed with it. Now, it tastes good because it helps you with cooking, but you want to be able to drain all that away. Oh, look at that.
So easy, so simple. Now if I want to add some tomatoes and cook them up, but I don't want them cooked as much as the asparagus. Put it in here, add a little bit of oil, and we'll just cook these down a little bit, and we will have delicious steamed asparagus and tomatoes.
I'll hit it with a little bit of salt.
Thank you very much. Always need salt on your potatoes, your eggs. A little bit.
A little bit, not much.
So again, we have our steak sandwiches. We're in Philadelphia, right? The big game's coming up. Everybody's making steak sandwiches. So I'm gonna lift up this shield, I'm gonna come over here, and look at how nice. Taco Tuesday, just about anything you're doing, we're gonna drain off that grease. Because David, you and I both say we love our ground chuck, which means it's 20% fat, and that's what gives it the flavor, but we don't want to ingest that after the fact. So we pour this off, comes out nice and clean. We put it back over here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some queso.
Oh, yum.
And I'm gonna add some salsa, and I'm gonna make
nachos?
Yep, I'm gonna make some nachos. This is gonna be absolutely delicious, and this is perfect. Everything's done in the same pan, but look at this nonstick finish. Like if you put cheese sauce and things, you know you're having sticking. There's no stick here because it has that beautiful ceramic finish that we love. This is dishwasher safe, although we recommend, because it's so easy, just hand wash it. I mean, it's gonna maintain the life of your ceramic finish. All manufacturers recommend that for your cookware.
So many people are picking this up tonight, and we have two colors for you. You have black and red. Easy peasy, right?
Right.
So we have black, we have red, and because this nonstick is so superior, throw this in your sink with a little warm soapy water, a little scrub daddy. Not that you're gonna have to scrub. And you're able to clean it up quickly and easily, and then drop it in the drain board, and then you're off to bed. And while the dishes are doing their best to dry,
right?
Don't miss out on this opportunity. This is a brand new brand for us. We've never had this on the air before.
This is so nice, and like I said, it went to Shark Tank. They were fighting over it. They loved it. It's a great invention. It simplifies our life. It wipes out so easy. Let me just
look at the inside of this pan.
It just
that had salsa, ground beef, vegetables, and queso.
Right, and think about that. Look at how easy this was to clean. That's what I love about this. It makes it so simple. Things don't stick to it. It's easy to clean, but it's the ingenious thing of the shield. This shield is going to ensure that when we are draining it, everything's going to come out right there. And that's what works so well.
That's the draining area where all of the grease or water or oil or whatever is drained away. And then when you're not using it,
all you do is press the button.
Use the little button, or you just pop it back onto the side and then use it as a regular skillet. We'll top this with a little more queso as it comes out of my
you can't have enough queso, can you?
A little extra queso, and then maybe a little extra salsa. And then we'll throw some parsley on top.
Oh, that looks so good, David.
It looks inviting and ready for everybody to dig into. Please don't wait on this. Everybody is looking to make their purchase, and These are very, very popular. Remember, it's all about draining away the fats and the oils from ground beef, from ground turkey.
Taco Tuesday.
Tacos any day, I say. Because tacos are for every day.
Everything, every day.
These are lovely. Let me throw the extra parsley on top of the nachos there. These are going very quickly. Please don't wait on this. And remember, we have the black, we have the red, and we have Dawn Magic Bag. Nice to have you here.
Thank you, David.
Always
It's good
a
to be
pleasure.
here.